Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, select display and click on the switcher next to adaptive brightness feature. As you can see, auto brightness is now on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into top menu as well, click on those three dots on the brightness slider, click on the switcher next to adaptive brightness and save your changes by tapping on done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!